We do get one more dry day tomorrow, though, after not as chilly of a start. Temperatures hovering down near the 40-degree mark. We do have a couple areas of low pressure right now. The main one that brought us precipitation overnight last night with a cold front, that's kind of pushing off to our east. Through the rest of our week, great conditions, not just good for getting your car washed this week. It rises, kind of squeezes out all that moisture, and that's why we get the upslope snow in those more prone locations. Temperature 57 degrees out here. Temperatures warming up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and grab an ice cream cone from your favorite spot tonight for one last time. Temperatures up near 80, a decent melting expected, so maybe eat that ice cream cone just a little bit quicker tonight. High pressure was in place today, leaving clear and cool conditions. Gonna sink just over top of us overnight tonight. If you've been thinking about doing some raking as those leaves continue to change color and eventually fall off the trees completely, next couple days might be a little bit hard. Ground on Wednesday still going to be a bit damp, and as you can notice, we got red conditions here. Winds both days gusting upwards of the 30-mile-an-hour mark might make it a little bit difficult to do any raking across our area. Taking a peek at temperatures across our area right now, mid to upper 50s for many, 56 in both Johnstown and Ballston Spa, touch cooler, 55 in Piseco, 54 Cobleskill, 54 as well in Medusa, 58 still in downtown Albany just after 7 o'clock. Hour-by-hour forecast of these temperatures not really going anywhere over the next few hours, with still pretty socked in with the cloud cover. Eventually, once we clear out, going to be making a run down towards the 40s for overnight lows. So what we can expect for our school day, waking up tomorrow morning, sending the kids out the door tomorrow morning on our Wednesday, 46 here in town. Not really going to be much cooler for surrounding areas. Cool, yes, turning breezy through the afternoon. We're going to have mostly cloudy skies to start, eventually getting into a mix of sun and clouds for our Wednesday afternoon. We could see clear conditions in terms of precipitation. We had some low-level moisture keeping us socked in with the clouds. Full cloud cover for our Tuesday here, courtesy still of that low pressure system that moved through our area over the weekend. Coastal system, though, is going to continue to push out to sea. Yes, making a very slow trek. That's why we still had cloud cover around for today. A much cooler feeling for tomorrow and Thursday behind this cold front as it kind of pushes on through quickly tomorrow morning. That's going to bring some cloud cover for tomorrow morning, but behind it as well, we're going to have pretty gusty winds. Taking a look at our wind gusts for tomorrow afternoon, gusting upwards of 20 to maybe even 30 miles an hour, a bit higher for the surrounding higher terrain outside of the river valleys as well. Hour-by-hour forecast here. We're going to start off tonight, mostly cloudy skies as we're all experiencing right now. The trend through the overnight is going to be to clear things out a little bit before maybe another increase in cloud covers with that cold front passing through our area tomorrow morning, let's say Wednesday morning commute time, before eventually getting back to a mix of sun and clouds for our Wednesday afternoon. You can see this kind of mix of cloudiness and clear skies is going to be the trend through the overnight into Thursday. Thursday morning, waking up, we can see once again mix of sun and clouds, but we should be back to more full sunshine for our Thursday afternoon. And despite this full sunshine, with that continued northwesterly flow, we're going to be staying pretty chilly. Temperatures only getting into the mid-50s for our day on Thursday. For tonight, 46 pretty seasonable, becoming partly cloudy as that clearing trend continues through the rest of our evening into the overnight hours. Tomorrow, back up to 58. Despite a mix of sun and clouds, not going to be doing much. We're going to have breezy conditions, keeping our temperatures cool for our day on Wednesday. Almost a rinse and repeat for our day on Thursday, 57. Breezy still once again after a cool start into Friday. Temperatures rebounding back up near 60, low 60s for Saturday with increasing clouds later. Sunday could be making a run towards 70 degrees with our next chance of precipitation moving in later in the day. Looking at a pretty wintry scene here overlooking Pittsfield on our CDPHP first warning cam. Temperature on our camera right now at 29 degrees, winds gusting upwards of 25 miles an hour across the Berkshires right now. Temperatures across our area definitely cold enough to see some snow this afternoon. 31 in Johnstown, Ballston Spa, and Glens Falls. 33 still in downtown Albany. That's the high temperature for today, so pretty chilly out there. 27, even cooler up in Piseco, and 29 in Pittsfield as we just saw. Wind chills right now, not as much of an issue up and down the Hudson Valley. Still for the higher terrain, feels a bit colder in the teens for Piseco, Roxbury, as well as Pittsfield where it feels like 17 degrees right now as we just checked in on our CDPHP first warning cam. We had very chilly wind chills earlier this morning when the wind was really gusting and temperatures were pretty chilly as is. It felt like 11 in Pico, 13 in Tannersville, and 14 in Medusa, Duanesburg, and Johnstown. Many of us are dry right now. We do have a few flurries or light snow showers through Schoharie County, pushing on into Greene County and far western Albany County, but many of us are going to be dry tonight. We had some more persistent snow showers earlier in the day, especially here across Rensselaer Plateau, down through the Taconics of Columbia County and Berkshire County, as well as up through the Green Mountains of Vermont earlier today with upslope precipitation, as well as some more persistent snow showers across the western Catskills. This is all courtesy of a couple disturbances moving through. Breezy conditions today, courtesy of our departing low that moved on through yesterday, picking up some moisture as it moves over the Great Lakes, moving on into our region, spreading some snow showers, and as it hits the mountains of western New England, it really wrings out that moisture and gets that upslope precipitation going there. Another low moves through tomorrow, with a couple disturbances along with it, leading to unsettled conditions continuing for the end of our work week here. So what does this look like hour by hour? We're waking up tomorrow mostly cloudy, maybe a couple snow showers tomorrow morning right around the morning commute. Getting the kids out the door tomorrow could be a little bit slick, take a little bit extra time if you need it. Snow showers continue for the afternoon tomorrow, maybe a couple sprinkles in the valleys as we are going to be getting back up towards the lower 40s for our Wednesday afternoon highs. This on and off showers continues through our Wednesday evening, overnight into Thursday, and we do it all over again on Thursday. Not as widespread in terms of coverage. Some showers more persistent across our southwestern locations, Schoharie Valley on into the southwestern Catskills, but all of us run the risk at seeing some showers, both rain and snow, on Thursday, especially once again, Green Mountains, Rutland, down through the spine towards the Berkshires. We get that upslope precipitation going once again Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. So for tonight though, we're down to 31, mostly cloudy skies, some localized snow showers, diminishing wind through the overnight tonight before eventually getting back going tomorrow. We're up to 43, much better than where we were today, about 10 degrees warmer. Mostly cloudy, a bit breezy through our Wednesday afternoon. As we said, a few rain and snow showers lingering through the afternoon. And our 7-day, 45 for the day on Thursday, mix of rain and snow showers once again. 43 for Friday, not as widespread in terms of coverage for those showers, but still a chance for everyone. 41 mostly sunny for the day on Saturday before another system moves on in Sunday with a mix of rain and snow showers on the onset, ending as mostly rain for the area.